filter's plugged. Look at all that dust. You see down there on the empty tube, this one here is all plugged here. I'm just going to vacuum that out, that one. Look at that beater bar. Okay, push on this clip and pull it out. Another screw right on the opposite side here. Get the top off. I'm just wiggling and wiggling and wiggling. I don't want to break it. But I see a little board in there. And I don't see any other screws here. Okay. It must just snap into place right there at the front. That's what it does. It snaps into place. Oh yeah, there's something there. Oh, it's a light or something. No, 1, 2, 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I'll undo the belt. Oh, it's got a little gear on it too. Let's see. So I don't want to crack it. Much. Oh, that one came off. But it left the bearing inside, which is, so I can't get mixed up. This one here came off the belt side, and this one here came off the other side. I got something worth mentioning here because somebody's gonna watch this video because they were having problems with their beater bar not working or nothing on the front. See, the power comes in here. There's 2 plates underneath here, but you see the wires right there? There should be 3 wires connecting. Now if they get crimped in that, you're gonna have to redo the wiring. Out of all this stuff here, I just would wipe it with a damp cloth and that. There's the foam one. I already put one end in. We'll try it this way here, like this. Bearing back in there. Okay. Make sure these wires aren't tangled up in here. Good. Okay, before I put the back cover on with the 3 little screwdriver, You gotta put the 3 screws back in. One is here, and one on this side, and one right in the middle there. Now I'm going to put the 7 screws in. Now there's 2 short screws here, and the 2 short screws go right there, one here and one there, and then all the other ones are all the same. Okay, I've got all 7 screws done. Now I'm going to put this plate back on, and I'm going to snap it into place here. Just snaps in. There's snap. Snaps in. And you just take a screwdriver and you can see the lock position. Alright, I can plug it in and give it a try. The indicator's on. Low power beater bar, high power beater bar. It's working. See if I can vacuum this off. At least it's not hair.